sounds way better. What's up, y'all? It's Limits to him back again with another video. Remember, it's no limit side, limit set yourself. In this video, I'll be showing y'all how to do a valve cover gasket replacement and a valve adjustment. Because my engine's actually sounding really ticky, clickety, you know what I'm saying? When I start up, the engine is idling, driving, whatever. It sounds like the valves are clicking a lot. Clicking and ticking a lot. I'm gonna show you exactly how that sounds like. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it through the camera, but let's do it anyway.
That's true.
But yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but from what I'm hearing, the valves need some adjustment. It doesn't really sound that good. It's clicking and ticking a lot, but I'm not gonna be doing it myself. I'm gonna head to Advanced Auto Parts right now to grab the valve cover gasket, and then I'm gonna head to a mechanic I know. He's a really cool guy, cool Honda guy. He knows about Hondas and everything, so I'm gonna just pay him some bread to have him adjust it, replace the valve cover gasket, and then I'm gonna record the whole process. All right, let's go grab the valve cover gasket and then go get the valves adjusted and valve cover replaced.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I actually just got to the mechanic's house. I got the gasket right there. I just have the hood open so that it can cool off and everything. We have to let it cool off for about an hour to an hour and a half before working on the valves. But actually on the way over here, I got a few delays. It took me forever to get over here. As soon as I pulled off my driveway, started driving, I actually got pulled over 3 minutes into driving. I was sitting on the side of the street for like 25 minutes. After we did that, we went on the way to Advanced Auto Parts to grab the gasket. Started driving to the mechanic's house. Engine started idling like crazy high, like 2,500 RPM. I had to pull over, plug it to the laptop, adjust a few things, and have it running slightly better. But it was still acting up a little bit on the way over here. But we're good now. We're here. Engine's cooling down, and after it cools down, we're gonna get right into it. What, it's stuck in there?
Yeah. See if you can get it out.
Oh, you gotta wiggle it.
Shouldn't be that tight though.
Cadence.
But how's it looking?
So the head looks really nice. The head definitely looks very, it looks like it came out of a machine shop, like recently. And the cams do look stock. So that's good. The springs, retainers, and all that stuff is stock too. So now I need extension.
So extension, what are you gonna take out next?
You gotta spin the engine.
Spin the engine, okay.
Yep. Yeah, but not lifting weights, because then you're gonna get strong muscles, and women should be gentle and soft. That's good. So you see how we're just spinning it forward, right?
Yep.
Because that's good. You're gonna have to do that now. You see, this is the cam lobe. You see it, you know what the cam lobe is? Is this piece, the little like top piece. You see it?
Okay, yeah.
So there is at top the center, so it's on the top. Next time you're gonna do this one, you're gonna want it to be on the top, but you just gotta spin it forward.
Oh, okay. So you spin it as you adjust it, pretty much.
Exactly. So because I'm gonna do this one, I had to spin it. Then we're gonna do this one, so we gotta spin it. So this one, instead of be sideways, it's a 12 o'clock.
So you gotta do like this, boom, 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 4 times.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Some other people do it different. This is the way that I do, and it works perfect for me. But this thing is still hot as fuck, so we gotta wait a little bit.
Yeah, let's wait a little bit. It's all good. Alright, so we're waiting for the engine to cool down some more before we continue. When we pulled off the valve cover gasket had like mad bullshit ass glue all over it. It was completely awful. But I'm gonna get that cleaned up before, you know, throwing the valve cover back on. Alright, so we're checking the fitment right now for the 7000s.
And it's loose as fuck.
Very loose. Slides right through, no drag. Oh, that's like a special tool for it? What is that tool called?
Valve adjustment tool.
Oh, valve adjustment tool?
Yeah.
So yeah, y'all need a valve adjustment tool. Make sure you look that up and order that before doing a valve adjustment. You just slowly like tighten it.
It was way off.
Way off.
Yeah,
Is that one better?
Oh, this is loose too. So these are stepped. From here down are 8,000s. From here up are 10,000s. So like that, you know, like if it goes up to here and it doesn't pass, it's good.
Okay, that makes sense.
Well done.
That's the intake valves. Say spin it for you?
Yep.
To the next one?
Yep. Slow.
Huh?
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're starting the exhaust side,
Yep.
which is the side that's closer to the headlights. And for the exhaust side, you need 8,000s strip to be able to measure the valves. Damn, that shit's mad loose. Slips right in.
Damn, bro, this is bad. Yo, this car.
Who the hell did it? The person who did it didn't know what the hell they doing.
I think they just never did it. This shit was never done.
It's like, yeah, I don't know how to do it. Let me just, you know, leave it like this. Yeah, that shit was crazy loose. Just slipped right in.
You're gonna feel a big difference.
Hopefully, that's what I'm really hoping. So for the intake side, 7,000s, and the exhaust side, 8,000s.
I like that song. That's a good song.
For me, I did.
For her, it's old school because she's young.
It was the type of shit my brother was listening to.
Damn, hopefully I don't get copyrighted.
For real.
Alright, so we finished adjusting all the valves, cleaned off all the glue and everything, so now we're just gonna throw the gasket on, the valve cover and everything. Alright, so what you wanna do is throw the gasket on the valve cover first. Make sure you line it up properly. Put it directly into the indent, make sure everything's in. Just taking out all the gaskets, the spark plugs, and switching it out for the new one. Pop it on. Hopefully the gasket won't fall. Alright, goes on perfectly. Seems like it didn't fall at all. Make sure you push on it, make sure it's nice and tight, and after that, you're gonna put on all the nuts. Crisscross pattern. So we placed in the grommets for each bolting point.
What do you think is gonna sound like? Better, worse, normal?
It's gonna sound amazing compared to what it did before because it was crazy
I personally
loose.
believe it's gonna be amazing. Absolutely like a burn car.
Cause you said it was terrible,
It
right?
was fucking horrendous. Like that, the worst word that I could use probably is horrendous or horrible. That's how it was.
Yeah, definitely horrible. Alright, you can start it up. Sounds way better. It sounds way more quiet than it did before. Here's like I hear some clicking or something though. Oh, okay. Okay. But yeah, it sounds way better already. Alright, so we're actually gonna go for a ride. He's gonna drive the car to see how it drives like. See if there's anything wrong with the car. See if it's running efficiently. See if it's running good or not. If there's anything wrong with it, he's gonna let me know. We're gonna go from there. Cause I'm gonna have to situate everything before getting dynoed.
I'm famous, so it's the same thing. He record me all the time.
Yeah, he's famous. NyQuil.
NyQuil,
It
baby.
requires an autograph.
Autograph. Maybe a fee to record him too.
Have you checked while you're checking your lights on?
Intake air temperature and O2. I'm gonna replace the intake air temperature.
Yeah, you need that.
Yeah, because it determines what the temperature is of the air.
You need to adjust that clutch.
Oh, the clutch?
You need to adjust it.
Okay. What is it like?
Too high.
Oh, the bite point too high?
Yeah. That is way too high. Was that on the clutch?
No, I don't.
That definitely doesn't feel like a new clutch. This car's registered, right?
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Oh, I forgot there's 3 people.
Huh?
There's 3 people in here, that's why it's going lower.
The throttle body's definitely a little tight. Yeah.
Oh shit. Baby, you got space?
I'm gonna take this.
Oh, shit, that's a nice car.
I'm not sure if my boy's there, but if he is, I'm gonna. So you can see he's got a 90K hash.
Yeah. Definitely gotta change that throttle body though, for sure.
So you got
Yeah, but it's so much quieter.
Yeah, it is quieter. There's not as much ticking and all that extra bullshit.
Please don't. I'm sorry on the video.
Who does that?
I'm always
Hold
talking
on.
shit.
It's all good.
Nah. Like, for real. Who the fuck does that shit?
So what do you think so far? Clutch is like a bite point too high.
Way
It's too
high.
sticky.
Way too high. Throttle body's junk. Something's wrong with your
Damn, it smells so good.
With my what?
your steering wheel.
It's a little loose, right?
Oh yeah. That's
Yeah.
your rack and pinion.
My what?
Rack and pinion.
Rock opinion. That's not the steering rack.
Steering rack. The same shit. My boy's hatch. Look at that.
Oh, we seen that earlier.
Yup, it's my boys and buddies. It's called Blue Dream.
Blue Dream. What is
Yup.
done to it?
It's a F20B.
F20B.
Full F20B.
Okay,
And it
okay.
runs really nice. Yup. That thing's sticking, man.
Yeah, that thing. That shit just wants to do a burnout.
Oh my god, you need to solve that issue ASAP.
Huh?
That's a throttle body. It's not kind of sticky when you do force.
That's what I-
more force.
That's what I'm saying. Like, as soon as you apply too much force, it could, like, you go in, but once you pass that sticky point, you can just fucking pretty much stomp it. It just wants to take off. But I gotten used to it. It's just like sometimes, like, you have to really, like, ease on it.
This plate is no good. Look at this plate.
Yeah, that plate isn't good. I thought it was a tie rod. I replaced the tie rod and everything.
No.
Felt a little bit better, but definitely got to change the steering rack.
Yeah, steering rack. Okay.
But this is a power steering rack, just without the power steering. Should I just get a manual rack?
Manual rack all day.
How much do you think that would go for?
I'm not sure. Oh, I only work like stuff like that. I only do EFs, and most of the EFs come manual racks, so I don't have to worry about none of that stuff.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
People, they don't know how to drive.
Bro, these people driving like they got semi-trucks.
For real.
Alright, y'all. So everything is all set. I'm back at the house. Everything seems perfectly fine. So after my mechanic boy drove the car, we all came to the conclusion that throttle body is crazy sticky. Like once you step in the gas, it'll be very sticky, so you have to put more pressure to get past the sticky point. So once you get past the sticky point, it will just like over rev. So then I ended up buying the throttle body from my mechanic friend, Alpha Skunk 2 throttle body. It's way more smooth. Yeah, it's way more smooth, like the pressure stays constant. I need this. I'm gonna have to slap this in soon. Another problem I was having is that my steering rack is really loose. At first I thought it was the tie rod. I replaced the tie rod. It made it a little bit better, but it was still loose and it's like uncomfortable to drive, so I have to replace my steering rack now. I'm gonna have to get a manual one if I can find a manual one, because it'll be a lot better for my setup. Third problem is I actually got a little exhaust leak from the header. You can hear it. I've been hearing it for a little while. I haven't confirmed it yet though. I needed another person's opinion, and he said it sounds like it definitely has an exhaust leak from the header. And the fourth problem is the timing belt. Timing belt is a bit loose, but when we was trying to loosen the bolt for the tensioner, it was really tight, completely tight. It seemed like the person who built this engine or would put it together, whatever the hell he did, used the impact gun on the bolt when the engine was outside of the car. So pretty much the bolt was completely stuck. Couldn't even get it to budge, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yep, I got a few things to do. I'm gonna see what I'll do. I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate everyone that's watching. I appreciate all the subscriptions and the likes. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.